Hello, and welcome to Day 8 of your daily English speaking practice. Today, we will focus on going to a restaurant, ordering food and drinks in English. This is one of the most useful skills for daily life and travel. You will listen to me and repeat each sentence. Speak clearly, with confidence, and imagine you are really sitting in a restaurant. Let's get started. Basic restaurant phrases. Repeat after me. Can I see the menu, please? Could I have a glass of water? Do you have today's special? What do you recommend? Can I sit by the window? Table for 2, please. We would like a table for 4. Is there a waiting list? How long is the wait? Do you take reservations? Ordering drinks. I would like a cup of tea. I'll have a coffee, please. Can I get a bottle of water? Could I have some juice? I'd like a glass of milk. Do you have soda? I want hot chocolate. Could I get a cold drink? Ordering food. I'll have the chicken with rice. I would like a salad. Can I get a burger and fries? I'd like the vegetable soup. Could I have pasta, please? I want the fish with potatoes. I'll take the steak, medium rare. Do you have vegetarian dishes? Is this dish spicy? Does this come with rice? Can I change my order? Can I have the same as him? Polite requests. Excuse me, could we have some water? Can you bring me a fork, please? Could I get some extra napkins? Can you bring another plate? Could we order dessert? Can I have more bread? Could I get the menu again? Excuse me, can you take our order? Short role play 1. Ordering drinks. Waiter. Good evening. What would you like to drink? Customer. I'd like a glass of water, please. Waiter. And for you? Customer. I'll have a cup of coffee. Waiter. Thank you. I'll bring your drinks right away. Customer. Thank you very much. Short role play 2. Ordering food. Waiter. Are you ready to order? Customer. Yes. I'll have the chicken with rice. Waiter. And for you? Customer. I'd like the vegetable soup and a salad. Waiter. Would you like anything to drink? Customer. Yes. A cup of tea, please. Waiter. Thank you. I'll bring your order soon. Describing food. This food is delicious. The soup is very tasty. The steak is perfect. The rice is a little cold. The chicken is spicy. The salad is fresh. The pizza is hot and cheesy. The dessert is sweet. The coffee is too strong. The tea is just right. Asking questions in a restaurant. Do you have vegetarian options? Is this dish spicy? What is today's special? Does this come with salad? Can I order without onions? Do you have any desserts? What drinks do you have? How much is the soup? What time do you close? Role play 3. Asking about food. Customer. Excuse me, what do you recommend? Waiter. The pasta is very popular. Customer. Is it spicy? Waiter. No, it's not spicy. Customer. Okay, I'll try the pasta. Waiter. Good choice. Would you like a drink? Customer. Yes, I'll have some juice, please. Paying the bill. Could I have the check, please? Can we pay together? Can we pay separately? Do you take credit cards? Can I pay with cash? Here is the money. Keep the change. Thank you very much. Everything was great. We had a wonderful meal. Role play 4. Paying the bill. Excuse me, can I have the check, please? Of course. Here it is. Do you take credit cards? Yes, we do. Great. Here's my card. Thank you. Please enter your code. Done. Thank you very much. You're welcome. Have a great evening. More useful expressions. The service is very good. The food is amazing. I don't like this dish. Can I order something else? Could you make it not spicy? Can I get extra cheese? Do you have a children's menu? Can I have my food to go? I'd like to take this home. Extended role play at the restaurant. Waiter. Good evening. Do you have a reservation? Customer. No, we don't. Do you have a table for two? Waiter. Yes. This way, please. Here is the menu. Customer. Thank you. Can we have some water first? Waiter. Of course. Are you ready to order? Customer. Yes. I'll have the fish with rice. Waiter. And for you? Customer. I'd like the chicken salad. Waiter. Would you like anything to drink? Customer. Yes, 2 glasses of orange juice. Waiter. Thank you. I'll bring your order soon. Later. Waiter. Here is your food. Enjoy. Thank you very much. Later. Customer. Excuse me. Could we have the check? Waiter. Yes. Here it is. Thank you. We'll pay with cash. Waiter. Thank you. Have a nice evening. Customer. You too. Practice polite expressions. Excuse me. Please. Thank you. You're welcome. That was delicious. I really enjoyed it. This is my favorite dish. Everything tastes wonderful. Motivational sentences. I can order food in English. I can order drinks in English. I can ask questions about the menu. I can pay the bill politely. I can eat at a restaurant with confidence. I enjoy learning useful English. I am improving every day. I believe in myself. I am proud of my progress. Great job today! You practiced ordering food and drinks in English, asking questions, and paying the bill. These are skills you will use in real life at restaurants, cafés, and coffee shops. Come back tomorrow for day 9 of your speaking challenge. Keep practicing, keep speaking, and always believe in yourself. See you next time.